Okay, so SB, because so NSN. So S is it doubles as Alt if I hold it. That's called Kanata. It's really great. So you see the little dot here, white dot, right? It's visible, perfect. So text, right? And then if that's left click. So then if I right click, it chooses the color I'm on, and I said it chooses the color I'm on. Thank you. And red. And then if you want to like confuse someone, you do this. All right. So it works, and then also you see the key works. And if I hold one, let's say, move the mouse, get some space, and then Q, hold Q, release Q. Key code. So Q is I don't know why. I mean 0 1. Oh yeah, no 0 1 2. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's 2 down, 1 to the right. So that's how it works. It's a byte with a 5-bit entry, 5 entry. Yeah, 5 entry. Um, the number 5 and the number 3, not the word entry. You know. So yeah, I've got keys now, and I can add handlers and stuff. But for now, it's kind of spaghetti. But that's kind of how I want it to be, because I just wanted to enable and use the hardware. I'm not trying to actually make an application right now. So it's more about just quickly enabling and configuring every hardware piece as fast as possible. Okay, so yeah, color is done there. And this is inside the mouse handler. I do not think it should be the best way to do it this way, but let me just make this big. Yes, and then I can. There we go. This is not a mouse handler, and this is a C++ code. I mean, it's there, right? I'm gonna switch to using modules now, because it's gonna be better for inlining. Um, But yeah, so what I do is basically, if you have a left, you draw a line from now to the old position, and then after that you get the priority, and then the +1 is just a hack because I'm have this thing here. So this happens roughly every 60 seconds. Again, I know it's not how you do it, but it was just like quickly hacked together. So kernel event loop and then wait 1/60 seconds. Right. I mean, it still did the thing that it was supposed to do. But it's still this takes more than 0, so it's not technically exactly 60 frames. And yeah, maybe putting the drawing of the line, so that's where the line is drawn, in the header isn't the best. And I know there's a better way to do it, but that's not what I'm doing right now because I'm gonna need for that a proper LA-pick scheduler, which is gonna, if I want a good way, with a chunked linked list. I don't know if it's not this name, but yeah, I'm gonna have a chunked linked list of delta linked list, which is just the time of this one minus the time of the previous, and that's what you store in the data, and a bunch of other stuff. And then you just put all of them right next to each other. So you have like maybe the first 20 element are consecutive, and then after that you have another chunk which is 20 element. It's just a linked list, but at least it's going to be better for cache locality. But yeah, I have to do that, and then this is going to require malloc, which is going to require body allocators, lab allocators, and other stuff. Which and I also have to do the ACPI to get the RAM count, um, the RAM amount, because it's just yeah, it's the whole thing. So yeah, I'm not gonna do the whole proper loop. This is just hack together. So this happened roughly 1/60 seconds. I just get the pixel widers right now. I draw one, so that's the cursor pixel, and then after that I draw another. So I've got a bunch of, I mean, if you saw there was the RGB line, so I can draw, horizontal, vertical, generic, uh, diagonal lines, and I can draw rectangles and bitmap with image. But I have not embedded any raw bitmap inside of this thing. I would need to convert stuff, but yeah, it should work. Or I could just manually, with software, create a simple bitmap and then just print it. That would work too. Good test. But yeah, so I have the mouse and the frame buffer done. I'm using, I think I showed it before. But yeah, I'm using the grub to get the frame buffer. So yeah, normally there's another way, but I'm gonna do that later. The whole point is eventually just to switch to yeah, it's 8:15. Yeah, the whole point is just to switch to a grubless thing eventually, but that's not really the most interesting part. So it's not what's being done right now. So yeah, that's the goal right there, and you know, yeah, there's the mouse center and that. So it's kind of a hack together, but it works, and I can draw stuff now. So eventually, I'll have something to do. Well, I have a general plan, but I'm gonna wait until I have more features to start like building some wall design application. If I even have time, because I want to do a multi-core, so that's what I'm starting with right now. I already did a little bit of that. I mean, a little bit is an infinitely small amount, but so yeah, all right. The 5 minutes kind of long.